Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down normal forms, those essential guidelines for organizing data in a database. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these forms help reduce redundancy and improve data integrity, ensuring your databases are efficient and logically structured. Let's get started. Normal forms are like rules that guide us in organizing data. They help us avoid repetition and ensure data integrity. As we go from first normal form to third normal form, we create more organized and efficient tables. First, let's talk about first normal form, or 1NF. A table is in 1NF if all columns contain atomic values. Each column contains values of a single type. Every column has a unique name. The order of data doesn't matter. For example, here's a table where each student has multiple courses in one column. This violates 1NF because the values in the courses column aren't atomic. They're combined. To fix this, we need to break those values down into separate rows. Now, each course has its own row, making the table compliant with 1NF. Now, moving on to second normal form, or 2NF. A table is in 2NF if it's already in 1NF and all non-key attributes are fully dependent on the entire primary key. Let's look at an example. In this table, we have students and courses, along with course names and instructors. But here's the problem. The course name and instructor depend on the course ID, not the student ID. To resolve this, we split the data into two tables, one that connects students to courses and another that lists course details. This way, the non-key attributes only depend on their appropriate key. Finally, let's talk about third normal form, or 3NF. A table is in 3NF if it's already in second normal form, and all non-key attributes are not only fully dependent on the primary key, but also non-transitively dependent. Here's an example. We have a table where each student has an advisor and the advisor's office. But notice something. The office depends on the advisor, not directly on the student. This violates 3NF. To fix this, we split the data into a student table and an advisor table. Now, each table holds information related only to its primary key. Why bother normalizing? Well, normalization reduces redundancy, prevents data anomalies, and ensures that data stays consistent. It also helps with reducing data redundancy. No more repeated data across multiple records. Avoiding update anomalies, update data in one place, and it's updated everywhere. And preventing insertion and deletion anomalies, ensuring you can insert or delete records without accidentally losing important information. Before we wrap up, let's talk about foreign keys. A foreign key links one table to another, ensuring data integrity between them. For example, in our third normal form table, the advisor ID in the student table is a foreign key that links to the advisor table. This ensures that the relationships between students and advisors remain consistent. To sum it up, normalizing your database is crucial for efficient data management. From first normal form to third normal form, each step helps eliminate redundancy, ensure data consistency, and maintain data integrity. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on database management and technology. And if you have any questions about normalization, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.